Well, did you have the sticky tape?
Of course. Well, listen, when you have a plunge like that, well, you should be nervous. If I were working with more, I would have been more nervous. But I just used double stick tape.
Right.
Then I went, take it a step further, use double stick tape to double stick the tape in, quattro stick tape.
4 tapes.
Felt fine.
Oh, so you knew that she had the 4 tapes.
Yeah.
I learned later.
Yeah.
I didn't really know that it was happening while it was happening, but later.
He doesn't pay much attention.
No.
She started breastfeeding our children 3.5 years ago in front of almost exclusively my dude friends, I feel like. The baby was always hungry when my guy pals would come over. So you just get over it real quick, and it becomes like white noise. Like, they might have been out. I don't know. I can't say for sure when they're out and when they're
They're
not
just
out.
boobs.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
know,
Yeah.
it's like they're just boobs.
Right.
They're life sources.
Yes. Well, yes, they are that.
Yes.
And then they're attractive, and you were wearing an attractive
Yeah,
outfit.
but I was conservative, even though I was, plunging.
Oh, I thought you were beautiful. I just would worry, and the double stick tape sometimes doesn't work. I've learned, Portia wears the double stick tape.
Yeah.
I wear it just under the clothes for no reason. But, and I heard that you said, and now you have a crush on Brad Pitt, and I heard you ran into someone at the Golden Globes that you have a crush on. Who is that?
I do. Riz Ahmed.
Oh.
I find
In the night of Star Wars. Just
The OA.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Night of, he's great.
He's so good. I find Indian men irresistible.
She does.
Really?
She
I
has
do.
a real fetish
Yeah.
for Indian men.
It's so
Which
beautiful.
shouldn't alarm me at all, right? Because I often get mistaken from being from the subcontinent.
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the time. Everywhere I go.
But I find
But
him
I saw him
attractive,
first,
too.
and I thought she might be too shy to kind of go up to him.
He was
so
my wingman.
I'm going to break the ice, and I said to him, hey, my wife has a crush on you. I'd love to introduce you to her. Thinking that she would be nervous to say that, and then here was her first line.
I
she
walked
up to him.
and I just, out of my mouth came, I find you very attractive.
Which made him very nervous because he immediately looked at me and he thought, is this their perverse setup? Like, he's going to get jealous and fight for her? Or he was like, is this an opportunity for a 3-way? He was like, you could see him going back and forth.
Is this a trick or is something on the table?
Yeah.
We put him in a very awkward position,
sounds
but
like
we
it.
were both being honest. And I just told him how fabulous I think he is. And very nice,
He
easy
has
on the eyes.
beautiful skin.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
Yeah.
It's hard not to notice.
So you two, it does seem like...
We're not married. I know.
Well, no,
But we got to sell these refrigerators.
Yeah.
They're not going to sell themselves. So, whatever.
No, it's great that you can be so honest and not be threatened because you both seem to be offering yourselves up to different people.
Men exclusively, though.